Hi guys, welcome back to my Amazin Kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. Today we are cooking some delicious carrot rice. Looking at how often we eat rice, it is always a good idea to have varieties. Let's get right into it. We are going to need some bay leaves, 1 star anise, cardamom pods, fennel seeds, 2 shallots which I have already sliced, some rice and some carrots, and I will list everything in the description box below. I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in my saucepan, and to it I'll add my onions and begin to fry. You want to fry them until they are translucent. When the onions become translucent, we are going to add the fennel seeds and fry together with the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes on very low heat. As soon as our onions are fried nicely together with the fennel seeds, we are going to wash our rice and add it. Once the rice is added, we are going to toast it for about 3 to 5 minutes, still on low heat. You just want to stir it around until the rice is a little bit toasted. Next, we are going to add in our carrots, and in this recipe, it works best if your carrots are grated. Now mix the carrots and the rice together until the carrots are evenly distributed, and then add your water. How much water you would need for your rice depends on the specific rice you are using, but I will list in the description box below how much I use for my rice. I then went ahead and added my salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm also going to add my star anise, cardamom pods, and the bay leaves, and I'm going to mix everything together. And lastly, I'm going to add some kpakposhito to it, cover and allow it to cook. If you don't have kpakposhito, you can do like a quarter of green bell pepper. The rice has been cooking for about 15 minutes now, so I open it up to check on it. It is cooking beautifully, but it is not yet done. So I'm going to give it a quick stir and cover it for it to cook for about 10 minutes more. You may also cover with some parchment paper or some foil if you prefer. And 10 minutes later, our delicious carrot rice is done. The rice is so fragrant due to the addition of the spices. If you are not used to adding spices to your cooked rice, this is the recipe for you. You need to try it. It will take your rice to the next level. You can serve this with my prawn sauce, and I'm going to leave the link to that recipe in the description box below. If you haven't seen it yet, you can serve with some regular stew, vegetable sauce. It goes well with anything. This is a very delicious recipe that you need to try. This delicious carrot rice will not make you cry when mommy says there is rice at home next time. Guys, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!